For joining us tonight at 6, the city of Madison is planning to be short tens of millions of dollars of what it normally has to build a budget as the economic impact of the pandemic continues. And that likely means cuts to city services. Our Amy Reed is live from the Monroe Street Library with more on how this might impact your local branch. Amy?
The city is starting budget talks now, but before agencies let the city know how much money they'll need to operate next year, they're first being asked to find room to cut 5%. That could lead to a loss in services, or when it comes to the library, could close this branch.
There are so many benefits that a public library provides a city, and we hate to see a reduction in that benefit.
The library system in Madison was faced with nothing but difficult decisions in putting together a budget proposal for next year. The library, as well as all other city agencies, were asked to cut 5% from their budget proposals. For the library, that means finding a way to do without $1 million.
It's an incredibly hard conversation for us to even have. We do feel like we operate very efficiently and effectively, and we hear from our customers every day how important the library is to them.
Other agencies will have to plan for cuts too, which could affect services you get from the city.
None of these decisions are easy. I don't think there's anybody on staff that wants to be in this position or it feels good about the decisions that they're having to make and the proposals that they'll have to bring forward. And, certainly I don't feel good about any of this either.
Final decisions on how much and what will be cut are still a few months away. The library is looking at options, most of which would close the Monroe Street branch until they have enough money to open it again. Hours at other branches would likely have to be cut, and they also may have to get rid of between 19 and 27 positions, some layoffs, some already vacant. As these talks move forward, the library and the city want to know what you think.
We're definitely looking for good ideas. Right? We're looking for places that we can save money. And if folks in the public have ideas, they should absolutely contact us.
Rhodes Conway said ideally the city would get money from the HEROES Act, which is sitting in the U.S. Senate right now. And if that passes, it does have a provision that would give money to cities. If it doesn't, then staff and service cuts are likely. If you do want to weigh in on what's going on with the library system, the library board has a meeting tomorrow evening. The city links you there on its website.
Amy Reed, live on Monroe Street. Amy, thank you.